Hello, welcome to the maths class. Today let us have a problem based on direct and inverse variation. The problem is this. Rishi worked on a set of mathematics problems for 20 minutes and finished 4 by 15 of it. That means Rishi worked 4 by 15 of the set of mathematics problems in 20 minutes. He then called Raza. Then they finished a complete set. Working together, they finished the complete set in 22 minutes. That means after doing 4 by 15 of the set, remaining part both together Rishi and Raza did in 22 minutes. How long would Rishi and Raza have taken to finish the set individually? If only Rishi would have done alone, how much time it would have taken for Rishi, and also for Raza, if alone they would have done, how much time they would have taken, that we have to find out. Okay? So first statement what is given is Rishi worked on a set of mathematics problems for 20 minutes and finished 4 by 15 of it. For that, let me write like this. Rishi finished 4 by 15 of the set of mathematics problems of the set I am writing in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes. Okay? What is given? The first statement I have written this way. 4 by 15 of the set in 20 minutes. So complete set in how many minutes? Let us find out. Therefore, Rishi can finish the set. The set means complete set. Complete one set. Okay? In 20 divided by 4 by 15 minutes. 20 divided by 4 by 15, here the complete set means one set, meaning in this much minutes. Let us simplify this. We'll get 20 into 15 by 4. 4 1s are 4 5s are. That is 75 minutes. The first bit is how long would Rishi and Raza have taken to finish the set individually. First one we got Rishi can finish the set in 75 minutes. If Rishi can finish the set in 75 minutes, he can do in 1 minute 1 by 75 of the set. Yes or no? And both together completed in 22 minutes. So let us find out remaining part. Remaining part is from one complete part, 4 by 15 is done by Rishi. So 15 LCM, 15 minus 4. 11 by 15 of the set is left. This 11 by 15 of the set, both Rishi and Raza have completed in 22 minutes. But Rishi can do in 1 minute is 1 by 75 part. Because we found that Rishi can finish the set in 75 minutes. Rishi can do in 1 minute is equal to 1 by 75 of the set or of the complete set of maths. So remaining part 11 by 15 is done by both of them in 22 minutes. Okay. So that is 11 by 15. Or let me write Raza and Rishi and Raza. Rishi and Raza finished 11 by 15 of the set in 22 minutes. Both of them have finished 11 by 15 in 22 minutes. How we have found here? Rishi finished 4 by 15 in 20 minutes. So complete set, Rishi can, same way, Rishi can finish the complete set in 75 minutes. Same way, both of them finish 11 by 15 of the set in 22 minutes. If both of them would have worked for the complete set from the beginning, how much time it would have taken for them? Let us find out. Therefore, instead of writing Rishi and Raza, let me write both can finish the set, complete set in 22 divided by 11 by 15 minutes, or 22 into 15 by 11. That gives 11 ones are 11 twos are 30 minutes. So what we understood here is Rishi can complete the set in 75 minutes. Both can finish the set in 30 minutes. That means both can do in 1 minute 1 by 30 of the part. Let me do the remaining part. Here we already got the first bit. Second we have to find Raza, how much time it takes for Raza to complete the set. If he does alone, that we have to find out. So both together would have finished in 30 days. That means both can finish in 1 minute. Both can finish in 1 minute equal to 1 by 30 of the set. 1 by 30 of the part, because they can complete the set in 30 minutes. The meaning is both can finish in 1 minute 1 by 30. Rishi can do in 1 minute 1 by 75. Therefore, Raza can do or can finish or can do in 1 minute is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 75. This is both can do in 1 minute. This is Rishi can do in 1 minute. When we subtract, we get how much Raza can do in 1 minute. Okay. LCM is 30 and 75. 5 6 5 1 5 15 6 10 5 6 5 5 2 10. 30 and 75 LCM is 150. Okay. 35 75 2 35 500 5 75 2 200. That is 3 by 150. 3 1 350 is 1 by 50 of the set. Raza can do in 1 minute 1 by 50 of the set, means that implies Raza can finish the set in 50 minutes. That is the reciprocal of this. How we got here 1 by 75, 1 by 75. For 30, 1 by 30. We both can finish in 1 minute, 1 by 30 of the set, meaning both can finish the set in 30 minutes. Same way, Raza can do in 1 minute, 1 by 50 of the set, means Raza can finish the set in 50 minutes. Okay? Thank you.